3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. But understand, you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. So you finally running far away from your history. But there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, weighs a ton. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a flower who has never seen the sun. You're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. And this is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down. Place some flowers into your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there. And this is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down. Place some flowers into your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there.
Boys don't tell lies, no, 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 they only tell the truth. But we never listen, no, no, cause we don't want to. When he tells you that he loves you, he probably does. But when he is out with his friends, he's not giving a fuck. He blatantly tells you the lies, and you just decide to laugh back, telling you you're number one. And it's kinda fun, it's kinda fun. So it's alright, he's gonna treat you right. Before you lay at night, you got the question, why does he leave when the sun goes down? I know I'm good reason to stick around. And once he comes back, he gon' want me back. It's nothing new. I'm gonna get the room ready. I'm gonna get the room ready. I'm gonna get the room ready to lay him down, down, down. I'm gonna get the room ready. I'm gonna get the room ready. Yeah, I'm gonna get the room ready to lay him down, down. get the room ready. I'm gonna get the room ready. I'm gonna get the room ready to lay him down, down, down. I'm gonna get the room ready. I'm gonna get the room ready. Yeah, I'm gonna get the room ready to lay him down, down, down.